I knew from the moment that I walked into the office that this was going to be the area that I was going to live in. Just the atmosphere, the attitude, the welcoming in the office with Brian was pretty amazing. Everything from the moment that I stepped into the front door, as I went into the rooms, flowed the way that I wanted it to, unlike any other model that I was looking at. It just, something about the entire experience from the first moment felt right, unlike any of the other builders I had visited. And I started coming to the office and seeing the house almost every day because they kind of became a part of me and they became like friends. And if I didn't come see them for a day or see the house for a day, it was like something was missing. And so I just, when you know, I just knew that this was it. And it's just overall been such a phenomenal experience. I wouldn't have it any other way. I know I made the right decision, and I love my home.